Hello everyone. So this is the question, reasoning question, which is usually asked in so many competitive exams. So let us see how we can solve these questions. The question is, four friends A, B, C, D need to cross a bridge. So there were four friends who need to cross a bridge. A maximum of two persons can cross it at a time. So two persons can cross it at a time. It is night and they just have one lamp. So it is a night time and they just have one lamp. Person that cross the bridge must carry the lamp to find the way. A pair must walk together at the speed of slower person. After crossing the bridge, the person having faster speed in the pair will return with the lamp each time to accompany another person in the group. Finally, the lamp has to be returned at the original place, and the person who returns the lamp has to cross the bridge without lamp. So now the time is given that A can cross the bridge in 1 minute, B can cross in 2 minutes, C can cross in 7, and D can cross in 10 minutes. So what we have to calculate that what is the total minimum time required for all the friends to cross the bridge. So we have to calculate total minimum time that is required for all the friends to cross the bridge. So let us see how we can solve these questions, and there are some options given. So let us see how we can solve this. Okay, let us see. These are four friends A, B, C, and D, right? So first of all, this is a bridge, and let us get see that A and B crosses the bridge in the starting. Okay, so the speed of A is 1 minute and the speed of B is 2 minutes, right? So they both crosses the bridge, and the speed of A is 1 minute and the speed of B is 2 minutes. So they both have to walk with the slower speed so that both can cross the bridge. So the time they taken to cross the bridge is 2 minutes, right? But the person A is having the faster speed, so he will return to this point so that he can carry another person. So 2 plus 1 means 2 minutes to cross the bridge, and 1 minute the time he took to come again at the starting point, right? Now now let us see that A and C will cross the bridge. Okay, B is in the opposite side of bridge. Now A and C will cross the bridge. So A took 1 minute, right, and C took 7 minutes to cross the bridge. It means they took 7 minutes to cross the bridge, and A took 1 minute more because he have to return to the starting point. So 7 plus 1, right? Now C is also at the another point of the bridge. So now A and D have to cross the bridge. So A took 1 minute and D took 10 minutes. So total time taken by is 10 for both to cross the bridge, and now A have to return the lamp here, and have to cross the bridge again without the lamp. So 1 minute because he just went back to the starting point, and plus 1 more minute, so because he will now come to that different point again, right? So the total time taken is for A and B is 2 plus 1 means 3, for A and C is 7 plus 8, and for A and D is 10 plus 1 plus 1 means 12, right? So the total time taken by all of them is 23 minutes. So let us see again how we have solved this. At first, we will see that there were four friends A, B, C, and D, right? So first of all, A and B crosses the bridge, and A took 1 minute, B took 2 minutes. So the total they both have to move with the speed of slower person. So they both took 2 minutes to cross the bridge, and A took 1 more minute because he have to return to the starting point. So the total time taken is 2 plus 1 means 3 minutes. Now B is on the another side of bridge. Now A and C. So A and C. A took 1 minute and C takes 7 minutes. So they both take 7 minutes to come on the another side of bridge. Means 7 minutes they took for to come on another side of bridge. But A took 1 more minute because he have to return to the bridge starting point, right? So they took 7 plus 1 8 minutes. Now A and D. A took A another A again take 1 minute side, and D take 10 minutes. So they both take 10 minutes to cross the bridge. 1 more minutes because he have to return to the point to return the lamp, and 1 more minute because he will now cross the bridge alone without the lamp. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 means 12 minutes. So the total is 23 minutes. So this is the time taken by all the friends so that they can cross the bridge easily. So I hope you like the video, and thank you.